What's up, guys? Big thanks to Lems R. If you guys want to run spoon wipers for the FK8, they're supposed to only fit right-hand drive, but he's shown me a way to install them on USDM vehicles. Let's get started. So I already took off the passenger side, but basically you want to remove the brackets held on by 2 screws. The problem is the washer on the other side is circular, so you've got to use pliers to hold them in place. Be very careful. I tried using some rubber and just pressing down really hard, try to create some friction, but it wouldn't come off. So I got the passenger side off by holding it really steady with pliers and undoing it with a screwdriver. I'm also grabbing it with the pliers from the underside, since they're going to sit this way, so that if I do happen to damage any of the black, I can just touch it up and no one will see it. Alright, and they're off. So I've already replaced the passenger side wiper. The way you do this is lift it up, and where it clips there's a bracket. You're going to push that up, push a little clip up, and then slide it out just like that. Put it back in, you're just going to slide it in like this. And when it clicks, it's in. So the reason you remove the brackets is because you have to put the passenger side shorter bracket onto the driver's side, and then the longer one from the driver's side onto the passenger side. I fit it, and so the driver's side bracket is going to go on the passenger side like this, and then the passenger side bracket is basically going to go on the end of the driver's side like this. So I ended up putting the driver's side more towards the center. Here's where it sits.